Hi, I'm Dave, Service Advisor here at Crosby Volkswagen. Today I'm here to tell you and show you how to replace your wipers on your Volkswagen. To replace your wiper blades, first thing is have the wipers in the service position. Unless you have your wipers in the service position, you will be unable to lift your wiper arm. In order to set your front wipers in the service position, turn the vehicle off, press and hold the wiper arm down for a few seconds, and the wipers are now in the service position. Lift the wiper arm up. You're going to depress the button on the back of the wiper arm for the blade. Push and pull. Place a rag underneath the wiper arm to prevent any damage to the windshield. Once you've unwrapped the new wipers from the package and you're ready to install them back on your windshield, raise the wiper arm, slide down until you hear an audible click to the wipers, and gently place the wipers back into the service position. And that's how you change your wipers on your Volkswagen. I'm Dave from Crosby Volkswagen, and thanks for listening.